Welcome, my friends. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation today. Before we start, I would like to say that if you are truly struggling with your thoughts and emotions, please reach out to someone for help. You can find some resources on the screen right now, should you need them. Before we start the meditation today, I ask that you take a moment and think about your favorite place. A place that makes you happy, peaceful, relaxed. Hold on to that thought as we begin our meditation. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. And when you are ready, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let each breath guide you gently into the present moment. With the next deep breath, allow your body to feel supported by the ground or the chair beneath you. Let your hands rest gently and begin to bring your awareness inward. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. No need to change it. Just take a few moments and observe. How does it feel as you're breathing in? How your body moves when you exhale? With each breath in, feel refreshed. With each exhale, allow your body to soften a little bit more. Bring your attention to the top of your head. As you breathe out, imagine a soft wave of relaxation flowing down your forehead, into your cheeks, your jaw, and allow yourself to release any tension you're feeling in these areas. Let this wave of calm travel down your neck and shoulders. Feel your shoulders drop gently, letting go of any tension they're carrying. Allow this sensation to move down through your arms, to your hands, and out through your fingertips. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. And allow that calming energy to flow down through your torso, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet and toes. Your whole body is relaxed. Your mind is open and clear. And if you find your thoughts wandering, just bring your attention back to your breathing. Remember that happy place I asked you to think about in the beginning? Let's take ourselves there now. In your mind's eye, imagine yourself driving to your favorite place. When you arrive, you park the car, grab a few items, maybe a blanket or a chair, maybe a book, some water, and you begin walking down a path to your place. At the end of the path, you are standing in a beautiful, natural setting. It could be a quiet beach, forest bathed in golden light, a meadow filled with wildflowers, or a mountaintop with a breathtaking view. This is your happy place. And wherever you are, notice the colors around you. The sky, the earth, the textures. And let's begin exploring this space with your senses. What time of day is it? Is the sun rising or setting? What do you hear? Maybe you hear the soft crash of waves, the rustling of leaves, or the quiet hum of birds and insects. Let these sounds soothe you. What do you smell? Maybe you smell the ocean air, fresh pine, or blooming flowers. Breathe it in deeply. What do you feel under your feet? Grass? Warm sand? Smooth stone? This is your sanctuary. Take a moment to simply be here, a place where you are completely safe, calm, free. There is nothing to do, no pressure, no expectations. Here you are whole, at peace. You belong. Now imagine finding a special spot here to sit or lie down. Feel how the earth supports you, the warmth or coolness of it. As you rest in this place, allow a gentle smile to form, soft and natural. Feel joy begin to rise from within, not because of anything outside you, but because you're connected to something deep and pure. Your breath is easy. Your heart is light. You might even notice something here, an object, a symbol, or a creature that brings you a deeper sense of connection. If so, take a mental snapshot of it. Let it be a reminder of this place whenever you need to return. And spend a few more moments resting in this calm, absorbing peace, knowing that this place exists within you and is always accessible. Now gently begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhaling, exhaling, take a breath that's a little bit deeper. And begin to notice the surface beneath you, the sounds of the room or the world around you. And if you are ready, wiggle your fingers and your toes a little bit, inviting small movements back into your body. Take one final deep breath. And as you exhale, bring with you the peace, the love, the joy, the lightness from your happy place. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and carry the calm with you into your day, into your thoughts, into your heart. May peace and love go with you throughout your day, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me.